Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on and turn off extra dim on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to enable or disable extra dim, then here's the video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off extra dim on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Now, once you click on accessibility, click on vision enhancement. Under vision enhancement, scroll down. Then you should see extra dim. If extra dim is enabled, go ahead and toggle it off to disable it. And if you want to enable extra dim, just toggle it on here, and here good. And you can also scroll down the control center to see if the extra dim feature is available. If it is available here, you can just click on it to toggle it on, and then click on it to toggle it off, and then you're good to go. Now, if you want to add the extra dim feature to the control center that is missing, just come here and click on this pencil. That's the edit pencil. Click on edit full, and then locate extra dim from available buttons, and then click on it. So I'm going to assume the extra dim is not here. Now just come to available buttons, search for extra dim. Then click on it once, then click on done, and then that is it. So that is basically how to turn on or turn off extra dim on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.